Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. All right, guys, so again, I said it in my last video and I'm going to keep saying it until everybody knows I am back. So I've got so many spoiler videos to put out today. I'm just going to sort of just push them out real fast. So this one is for the Ipsy Standard March bag. So I'm going to go ahead and show you the spoilers. I'll show you the choice items. For the comments, guys, as soon as I get these few videos out right here with the spoilers, we'll go ahead and start back on the comments. So first, let's take a look at the bag. It's absolutely gorgeous. I love the blue and the yellow. I love these little, I don't know if they're rhinestones, little metal pieces. I don't know what they are, but they're cute. So as for the spoilers, and again, this is for the March Standard bag. So first up, I'm going to show you the spoilers, and then I'm going to show you the choice items, which you know are going to be spoilers too. First up is the Complex Culture Precision Eyelid Brush. Then we have the Pacifica Hemp Infused Eyeshadow Palette. Now that's going to come in a couple of different ones. You'll either get one in quartz, dusty, smoky quartz, tiger, or crystal flower. Next up is the Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Blurring Powder Foundation. And now, guys, I'm going to show you the choice items. So not only are these choice items, which you can choose which one you want, these will also be spoilers for that March Standard bag. So first up is the Tatcha The Dewy Skin Cream. Then we got the Tatcha The Water Cream. Next up is the Tarte Sequence Hydrating Primer. And then we have the Ofra Bronzer in the shade Americano. And then we have the Complex Culture All Over Shadow Brush. Next up is the Yensa Skin on Skin BC Foundation in the shade Light Neutral. Then we have the Curology Cleanser. And then we have Awake Lip Therapy Lip Mask. And then the Grace and Stella Lavender Body Cream. Then we have the Wonder Beauty Eyeshadow in the shade Bouquet. Then next up we have the Belle in Argent Lip Lure Gloss in the shade Jealous of Us. And then we have the Youth to the People Superfood Cleanser. And then last but certainly not least is the Wonder Beauty Eyeshadow shade in Blossom. Again, as soon as they reveal any more spoilers, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I got to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy's linked below if you want to go check them out. And guys, please double check. Make sure you're still subscribed because you know how YouTube likes to unsubscribe people. So if you would double check that for me. And if you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because my thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. If you would make sure your notification bell set on, that way you don't miss another upload of mine, you'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, again, I wanted to add this on the end of this video that I wanted to thank everybody that has donated to my PayPal. I wanted to thank everybody that has still supported my channel and did watch the few videos that I did get out. I mean, I couldn't be more grateful for people like you in my life. And I just love y'all so much. So I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, guys.